Impact of self-driving cars on the transportation industry. Impact of self-driving cars on the transportation industry. The transportation industry has been advancing at an unprecedented pace, and self-driving cars are the latest innovation to hit the roads. These vehicles are equipped with sensors and software that enable them to sense their surroundings, identify and interpret the information, and make decisions on how to proceed. This technology is revolutionary and has the potential to transform the transport Asian industry significantly. This article explores the impact of self-driving cars on the transportation industry. 1. Reduce traffic congestion. Self-driving cars have the potential to reduce traffic congestion on the roads. Most of the traffic congestion that occurs on our roads is caused by human error, such as sudden stops, lane changes, and slow reaction times. Self-driving cars are designed to minimize these mistakes, thereby reducing the number of accidents and traffic congestion. These cars can communicate with other vehicles to establish the best route, and with the help of advanced algorithms, can predict traffic patterns and adjust their speeds to avoid traffic jams. 2. Improved safety. One of the most significant impacts of self-driving cars is improved safety on the roads. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, 94% of all accidents are caused by human error. Self-driving cars are designed to eliminate the human factor and reduce accidents caused by human mistakes. They are equipped with advanced sensors and software that enable them to detect obstacles, other vehicles, and road conditions. These sensors work together to give the car a 360-degree view of the surroundings, and the car can make decisions in real time to avoid accidents. 3. Reduced costs. Self-driving cars can significantly reduce transportation costs. They have the potential to eliminate the human cost component, such as drivers and support staff, which can be a game changer for the transportation industry. Additionally, self-driving cars could lead to reduced fuel consumption, as they are designed to operate with maximum efficiency. They can also help to reduce maintenance cost. As the sophisticated sensors and software can identify potential issues before they become significant problems. 4. Improve mobility for the elderly and disabled. Self-driving cars could significantly improve mobility for the elderly and disabled. These cars are designed to be accessible, with features such as easier entry and exit, adjustable seats, and easy-to-use controls. They can also be equipped with assistive technologies that help people with disabilities to navigate the car safely. These cars can help to reduce the isolation that many elderly and disabled people feel, enabling them to have greater access to services and social activities. 5. Reduced carbon emissions. Self-driving cars could also help to reduce carbon emissions on our roads. These cars are designed to be more environmentally friendly, as they can operate with maximum energy efficiency. They can also be programmed to optimize routes, avoiding congested areas and reducing the amount of time spent idling in traffic. This reduction in fuel consumption could lead to a significant reduction in carbon emissions. 6. Increased productivity. Self-driving cars could also lead to increased productivity for people who spend a lot of time on the road. For example, business people could use the time spent in their self-driving cars to attend virtual meetings, work on their laptops, or review documents. This increase in productivity could help to boost economic growth. 7. Changes in urban planning. Self-driving cars could change the way we plan and design our cities. With self-driving cars on the roads, parking and traffic congestion will no longer be significant issues. This could lead to a